Hello, my good people. So today I'm here. As you can see, I'm very busy. I've been making masks the whole day. Thank you to my mom who taught me how to sew with a needle, okay? With the needle and the thread, you know. Right now I have to use that technique. My mom taught me very well. She used to be my own science teacher. I don't know, people they call it home economics. I don't know what it's called, but that time I'm old school. We used to call it home science. So my mom taught me how to sew, and now guess what? I'm using that technique to make homemade mask. I mean, did I say mask or whatever? You know, as you know, we are going through this corona thing. It's affecting everybody, and we don't have enough mask to protect ourselves and our loved ones. So today I've spent the whole day trying to make these masks. I had to cut them by myself. I used the scissors. I had this material, so I cut all of them, and then I sew them together, and now I'll try them on. I'll see if they work, because you need them. So just in case you go out even grocery shopping or whatever, you just put it on, so that when someone sneezes or whatever, or coughs, or I don't know, this is terrible. It's a terrible disease, but you have to be careful and we have to be there for each other. So if you put it on, at least you can protect from those viruses getting into your face, of which can make you sick. It's a very bad disease. It's killing a lot of people, as you can see on the news. It's terrible, terrible, terrible. And for me, I work in a healthcare I'm a healthcare profession, so I have to take care of myself and my family too. God, just help us, protect us, Lord. We don't have power over this, but we can just do a little bit as we can, and then the rest, God will help us through. So just try and make even your homemade mask. You don't have to go, because you can't buy anywhere. Anyway, they all come from, I don't know where, China or whatever, but right now there is no, you can't even get them. So you just use your scissors, owned vitambas or whatever you call them, and then sew them. So let me try. Let me see if it worked. Oh my goodness, I like it. Maybe I should start making some to sell. You have to make sure you cover your nose and your mouth. This material is not, it's not strong enough, so I'll double them or I'll triple them. Thank you, Mommy, for teaching me how to sew. Now I can use this technique to make these masks. Yeah, let me try them on. So right now I'm heading out soon, so I'll just double them or even triple them, and then I'll go out. Holy cow. 3, you can wear one, but I want to wear a couple of them. That's how scary this thing is. You have to wear 1,000,000 of them. Let's see. How many? And make sure when you're wearing them, you wash your hands first before you touch the mask. Wash your hands first. Then take the masks. They are clean and they are washable. You can wash them. Put them on like that, and then you go out. So when you go out like this, when you're done shopping and everything, you wash your hands again before you take them out. And then you hold by the ears. That's how you remove them. You don't hold over here, because if you hold over here, you touch the germs, which is not good for you. So you remove like this, and then that's it, and you're safe. Thanks for watching.